everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, that is Love with Mathematics. This is class 6 maths video in which today we will learn about a new term. So without delaying, let's start with the video. As we are doing sets here beta, already we have done many exercises of sets. So this is the next exercise. Here we will learn about a new term. That is, suppose set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and set B is equal to 1, 2, 3. So here count the number of elements of the set. Number of elements of set A. These are 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of elements of set B, that is 3. So these elements, number of elements in set A and B, these elements are given a special name that is called cardinal number. So how I will read it, that cardinal number of set A is 4, cardinal number of set B is 3. We can write it like this: n of A. For set A, it will be written as n of A is equal to 4. N of B is equal to 3. Cardinal number of set A is equal to 4. Cardinal number of set B is equal to 3. So one more term that we usually use to read the cardinal number, that is cardinality. Cardinality of set. So cardinality we can read it also like this, that cardinality of set A is 4 and cardinality of set B is 3. Or you can read it that cardinality of set A is more than cardinality of set B. So let's take more examples. Suppose set D is equals to 3, 2, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2. Here what will be the cardinality of set A? What will be n of D? What will be the cardinal number of D? So you will do it like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. According to you, its cardinality is 7. But no, its cardinality is not 7. Why? Because I have already told you in the properties of sets that repetition of numbers is not considered in sets, as 2 is coming thrice. It comes 3 times in a set, and 1 is coming twice, and again 3 is coming also twice. So we will read these numbers, count these numbers only one time. So count the numbers. 3 will be counted one time. 1, 2, 3. And the next numbers are repeated numbers. So we will count it, that we will read that cardinal number of set D is 3. That is the required answer. So let's take next example, that is letters of the word puppet. Now you can do it easily. Write the cardinal number for this. We will write it n of B. What will be the cardinality of this number? Count the numbers, count the letters. 1, 2, and P is coming more 2 times, so we will not count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeated numbers not considered. It is a property of set. 1, 2, 3, 4. So cardinal number of set B is 4. So in this way we can write the numbers. And the last example, that is, let D is equals to odd numbers divisible by 2. Do any odd number divisible by 2? No. Then the cardinality of set D, it is 0. cardinal number, or you can say cardinality of set D is 0, because there is no any odd number that is divisible by 2. 2 always divide even numbers. So that is the required solution. Thank you.